Good morning, children. I'm KSN, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Bisan School. In previous class, I have explained the topic multiplication. Today also, we have to continue the same topic. In this class, I will complete the total syllabus of chapter multiplication. Children, all of you open textbook multiplication chapter, page number 54. Page number 54. Example 7. See this example 7. A clothier sells different shootings and shirtings and earns 48,657 rupees per day. So amount earned by clothier in one day. Amount earned by clothier in one day. One day, that is equal to rupees 48,657. Okay. Amount earned by him. Amount earned by him in 1 week. In 1 week. So we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. We know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 1 day 48,657 rupees. So 7 days means this one we have to multiply by 7 into 7. The multiplication we have to do this. So 48,657 into 7. Okay. Sin 7 7 ja 49, 9, 4. 7 5 ja 35. 7 5 ja 35. 35 plus 4. 39. So next 7 8 7 into 8 56. 56 plus 3 59. Okay. Next 7. Okay, 7 7 ja 49, 4, 7 5 ja 35 plus 4, 39, 3, 7 6 ja 42, 42 plus 3, 7 6 ja, okay, just a minute. 7 7 ja 49, 9 we have to write, then 4. 7 5 ja 35, 35 plus 4, 39, 3, 7 6 ja 42, 42 plus 3, 45, okay, 45. 7 8 ja 56, 56 plus 4, 60, 0, 6, 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 4, 34. Okay. So this is the final answer. So this is the final amount, that is equal to rupees 340,599. 1 to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 3,40,599 rupees is the final answer. This is the final figure. So amount earned by clothier in one day rupees 48,657. So 7 days amount we have to find. The 7 days amount means this amount should be multiplied by 7. Then we can get 3,40,599 is the final answer. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Next to example 8 we will discuss. Children, note down this one, example 7. Next example 8 we will discuss. Page number 55, example 8. Okay. A cloth mill produces 8,573 meter of cloth in one day. Okay, so length of the cloth, so length of the cloth, length of the cloth produced by a cloth mill in a day. So that is equal to 8,573 meter. Okay. In January, if 6 days are holidays, okay, in January, so January month, how many days, number of days in January month? 31 days. So how many days are holidays? 6 days. If 6 days are holidays, okay, the number of working days, therefore the number of working days, so number of working days 31 minus 6, that is equal to 25 days. So number of days in January month 31 days. So 31, so 6 days holidays, no, that's why we have to subtract 6 days from 31. So 31 minus 6 is equal to 25 days. Okay. Next, length of the cloth, length of the cloth produced by cloth mill in how many days? So in 25 days. In 25 days, that is equal to 8,573 into 25. Okay, so this one we have to multiply. So 8,573 into 25. So we know direct multiplication of 25. That's why we'll do this. 25 3s are 75, 7. 25 5s are 125. 125 7, that is equal to 132. So 13. So 25 7s are 175. 175 and 13, 188. 8. So next, so 18. 25 8s are 200. 218. Okay, that is equal to So multiplication we did 8. So 7 5 not 5 7. So this is multiplication we have to change. So this is 5 7. So 7 5 we did, 5 7 we'll do this. Okay. 8,573 into 25. 8,573 is 8,573 into 25. Okay. 25 threes are 75. 7. 25 sevens are 175. Okay. 175 7. Okay. 25 threes are 75. 5. Okay. 7. 25 sevens are 175. 175 plus 7. 182. Okay. 182. Then 2. Then 25 fives are 125. 125 18. 143 14. 25 is 8 the 200 214. Okay. Okay, this is units in meters. That's why we have to write in meters. 214,325 meters. Okay, children. Once observe this question, a cloth mill produces 8,573 meters of cloth. That's why length of the cloth produced by a cloth mill in a one day 8,573 meters. But in January month, 6 days are holidays. How many days holidays? 6 days. So number of days in January month 31 days. Number of days in January, that is equal to 31 days. Number of days in January 31 days. So the number of working days means holidays we have to subtract. Total number of days 31 minus 6, that is equal to 25. Now length of the cloth produced by a cloth mill in 25 days means this 8,573 we have to multiply it by 25. So that is equal to, okay, 2,14,325 meters we can produce according to this system. Understood or not? This is the example 8. I hope it's very clear. Now we will discuss example 9. Okay, children, note down this one. See example 9. Find the missing numbers in the given product. See, 3417, 3,417 into 63. Okay, so once you observe this box, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay, so 3417 into 63. Okay, so what is given here? 1, 1, this is not round up, 2, round up, 1. Next, round up, 0, 5, this is circle, 2, 0. Okay. Then first 3 7s are 21, 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So this is 5. Next 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, so 0. So first circle is 0. See here 0 and here 5. Okay. Next. One more, here one circle and here one circle. Next with multiplication with 6. 6 7s are 42, 4. Okay, 6 4, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 1. Okay, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25, 2, 2. 6 3 is 18 plus 2, 22. So here 2. Okay, then we have to add. So what is the final answer? 2. Okay, 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 2, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so this is also circle we have to find out. Understood or not? So general multiplication is how we can do this. 3 7s are 21, 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. 3 4s are 12, 2, 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. See 1 0 2 5 1, 1 0 2 5 1. Next with multiplication with 6, that means 0. Okay, into means 6 7s are 42, 4, 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 10, 1. Okay, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1. 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42, 4, 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 10, okay, 1, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 2, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 2 0 5 0 2 0. Okay, next 1 5 plus 2 7, 2 5 1 2. So which circle? This is round up, this is, and this is, and this is, and final answer this one. This, okay, if you do the general multiplication automatically you can easily fill, otherwise directly you can fill this. Understood or not? Okay children, note down. Observe the pattern and write the next two patterns. Okay, next two patterns. 10, 4 into 4, 16, 34 into 34, 1156, 334 into 334. So 111, 556. Okay, next again 3334 into 3334, that is equal to, okay, this time here 1 5, here 2 5, here 2 1s, here 3 1s, 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 and last 6. Okay, next 33,334, 33,334, that is equal to, here 4 ones, next time we can get 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 5s. Next time we can get 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. The final 6. Okay. So this is the next two terms. These are next two terms. Okay. So this is page number 56. I hope it's very clear. Children, this is multiplication chapter. Each and every problem in the textbook and workbook I have completed in all these videos. Okay. So what we have to discuss next chapter? Division. Division we have to discuss. That is the end of this part 1. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Next, children, watch the video very concentrately. Okay, observe the PDF file, then only you have to write the classwork as well as workbook also. Okay children, each and everything I am sending, you observe the PDF file and write the classwork as well as workbook. Okay children, now I will give you homework. In multiplication, some direct multiplication problems are there, some missing multiplications are there, and some problems, working sums also, problems also there. All these problems we have completed successfully. Okay now, next today's homework. So what you have to do this homework? Page number 54, textbook, page number 54, 55, 56, 54, 55 and 56. I have explained some problems in these pages. That pages you have to observe and you have to write the classwork. Okay children, the same problems you have to do practice. Okay, and December month you have a SA1 examinations coming soon. So that reason next week I will complete the division syllabus also. So all these chapters you have to prepare for SA1 syllabus. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody. Okay.